Have you ever set up a tent in the dark, in the rain, after a 12-hour ride, and woke up the next morning on a deflated air mattress with a wet sleeping bag? Well, me too. I don't do that anymore. At Leesburg Bikefest, I stayed with Camp Easy Ride. Let's talk about it on today's Graybeard Biker. Greetings and salutations. Now, you've been riding along with us all over the country this season, and at a whole lot of these rallies, you've seen the same setup behind me. And a few of you have been asking, where do you actually stay when you're on the road? So this episode is a little different. This isn't about the rally itself. We've got other episodes for Leesburg Bikefest in addition to this one. This episode is about our rally home base, because no matter where the rally is, when we roll into Camp Easy Ride, if they're there. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly what that means and why I'm never going back to throwing a tent on the ground again. Here's the simplest way that I can put it. Camp Easy Ride is a turnkey moto glamping experience that sets up camp inside rally series. You don't haul anything, you don't set anything up, you don't tear anything down. You just show up and enjoy yourself. They have 5 words that they use to describe the experience. You simply arrive, party, drop, repeat, and leave. You ride in with a bag and your bike, and everything else is waiting there for you. And there's something underneath that comfort that matters even more to me. The whole idea is stay and play. Your bed, your people, your good time, it's all right there on the grounds. So when the night gets long, you're not throwing a leg over your bike and trying to find somewhere to sleep. You're already home. And that's not a small thing in this lifestyle. So this is where it starts. You pull in and your tent is already set up. It's not a pop-up that you have to fight with. It's a real stand up inside of it tent. The bed is made and you are ready to go. And here's the part that surprised me the first time. Folks make these their own. People decorate, lights, flags, little setups out front. By day 2, this place already has lots of personality, and every tent's got its own individual one. So you roll in with a duffel bag, and that's it. Everything else, handled. Now, mornings at a rally are usually rough for one reason or another, but not here. There's a coffee station that's going from early on in the day, so even before my boots found the ground, there's coffee. And then somebody's likely already on the grill making breakfast. Okay, the tents are great, but I have to be honest with you, the real magic of this place isn't simply with rally lodging. It's the social area. This is where the camp, the compound, Camp Easy Ride really comes alive. There's a waiting pool to stay cool. There's places to sit, people swapping stories about their ride in. And then after the sun goes down, it gets even better. There's a disco pool table, a fire pit going on, everybody pulled up around it, strangers turning into friends in about 10 minutes or so. This right here, this is the stuff you remember long after the rally's over. Not the miles, the people. People that eat together, relax together, drink together. A real takeaway from Camp Easy Ride is going to be friendship, brotherhood. Now, here's where Camp Easy Ride goes from nice to, wait, what? There's a hot tub. After a long day in the saddle, you climb into that thing and every mile just kind of melts off your back. There's a Bloody Mary bar, because of course there is. And I'm not even kidding. There's a massage table, a massage at a bike rally. I've ridden a lot of years to figure out my body needed that. And here it is, just showed up. That's what I mean. You don't get this stuff anywhere else. And that's kind of the whole point. And look, I know I'm the guy that they sponsor. Of course, I'm going to say that everything is great. So let me get out of the way and let you hear it from folks who paid their own way to be here, so that you realize I'm still just as honest with you as I always am. So what do you think of it as a whole?
That's fantastic.
It's great. Everybody is super nice. The hosts are awesome. Really nice.
The Camp Easy Ride party's better than the party we rode down here for.
All right. All right. What's been your favorite part so far?
Just making new friends and hanging out.
Yeah.
I find the same thing.
Yeah.
What is your experience with Camp Easy Ride?
I love it.
What do you love about it?
The community.
Yeah?
I came back to visit lots of friends.
There you go. So what's your
You haven't even been to downtown yet.
Nope. No, I have
Virgins.
Camp Easy Ride. I mean, why do you need to go anywhere?
My experience at Camp Easy Ride. Well, I've met all kinds of amazing people. I've had so much fun. It's been a crazy, amazing, like Woodstock type experience.
What would you do differently other than Camp Easy Ride?
Differently, I don't think I'd come back here again or do any of these rallies without coming here, actually, because there's so many things going on, but you still have the camp, which is your own little community and your own your people, and you all get together and then you do stuff that we don't want to talk about on camera, but we all do all kinds of fun stuff.
What about you?
I've had a great time. Can't wait to come back next year too.
Good.
So.
Good.
Well, we had a blast here, and that's the whole reason. The only reason we're here is because we went to Camp Easy Ride in Daytona. We had so much fun there. I'd never even heard tell of Leesburg, and Marcus said that you guys should come to Leesburg. It's like, where's that, man? So that's why we're here. We had so much fun there. It's like, and it's continued. We had a great time here too.
Tell me about how you came to be at Camp Easy Ride this time.
Well, it's a strange thing. I was up at a place I frequent on Thursdays at Dolphins Waterfront Bar and Grill down there in Merritt Island. And I saw Marcus. I didn't know who he was at the time. And I told him, I said, hey, man, Mr. Sturgis. I said, have you really been there? Because, here in Florida, we see a lot of Sturgis shirts, but nobody's ever been.
So far away.
Yeah. And he said, yeah, and he told me about this place. I thought about it for about a week. I looked y'all up, looked him up online and everything like that. I did my homework. And I said, you know what? I've never been to Leesburg Bikefest. I've never camped out for an event. I think this would be my opportunity. And here I am and loving every day of it so far. Yeah, but enjoying every bit of it. I'm looking forward to saving up enough to be able to Sturgis and everything there.
Sturgis is awesome. And then you can wear the shirt and people will know that you've actually been.
I made it.
So quick, how did you hear about Camp Easy Ride?
Online. Actually, I've been following them for quite a while.
Yeah. What impressed you most about us?
Just the ease of everything, and how you don't just have to bring yourself and your stuff, and it's a great time. Marcus, this guy, are great hosts. They take care of everything for you, and got to meet a lot of fun people, and we will definitely be back.
So how'd you sleep last night?
Hard.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is the best sleep I've had in a while.
That's awesome.
But yeah, it was great. It was great. I love the setups. I love the people. The people are so friendly. I wouldn't have ever expected it.
We also do a content creator meet and greet right here at camp. So if you're one of the folks making moto content out there, this is your invitation to come find us at just about each rally. The door is always open. Just reach out to us. We'll let you know more about it. It's a place where content creators within this space can meet up with the people that watch them. Now, don't get me wrong. We don't just sit here. When it's time to ride, the whole camp saddles up and rolls up. And that's another beautiful thing about this. You ride out, you do the rally right, and then you come back to bed that's already made and a fire that's already lit. And you never have to worry about making a bad decision because everything is right there. And here's the part that sells people sometimes more than anything else. At the end of the rally, everybody's tired, everybody's a little bit sunburned and a lot happy. Normally, that's when the real work starts. Breaking down camp, packing up that wet tent, and then hauling it home. Not here. Here, you can just throw your bag on the bike, shake some hands, and ride off. They handle everything else. Remember that arrive, party, drop, repeat, and then just leave. That's the whole promise. And they deliver on that every single time. So that's Camp Easy Ride. That's where we stay when we ride to rallies. And it's why we keep coming back rally after rally. If you're tired of fighting a tent in a dark field or paying hotel prices to be 20 minutes away from all of the fun, go check these guys out. They're set up at rallies all over the country. So head over to campeasyride.com, find the rally that you're headed to, and book your spot. And then tell Marcus and the crew that Graybeard Biker sent you. And that's going to be it for this episode. If this is the kind of thing you want more of, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss us when we're out on the road. And until next time, stay free. Keep it shiny side up.